Hey everybody, we've got a problem. This is why these are the cheapest, the best, the most reliable, new, genuine injectors. Now, I've got a lot of suppliers. We go through a lot of injectors. We are the leading 1kd-ftv injector supplier in Australia. And you know, all my suppliers know that I only want new, and regularly, if not every week, every other, we end up with some remanufactured injectors, which of course get sent back. But this is why you purchase from me, because these all came out of boxes and they all look like new injectors, don't they? There's lots of different ways you can pick an injector that's been remanufactured, but I'm just going to make this video short and sweet, really quick. If you want to avoid remanufactured, you might want remanufactured, but I recommend only using new, fresh stock, and that's what we, supply to you. It's guaranteed. Looking at these bags without even opening it, I've mentioned in a lot of videos, you really got to get on the injector information playlist, follow the videos. If you need an injector kit, Monday morning, 7:30 a.m., I open, check and repack all the stock. You'll get the stock that, the local primary school could play soccer with so that it doesn't get damaged, because I don't want you getting any damaged stock. I don't want you getting the wrong injectors, only brand new, genuine. So I've opened all of these up and I've just put them back how they were, and I'm just going to quickly point out, just remember this, what I'm saying. All my suppliers, for many years I've been dealing with them, over 10 years, and they all know I only want new, and they still keep making the mistake. There's a few ways to tell whether they've got new ones or not, but it doesn't always work out, because sometimes people, when they repack them from the brown boxes, then some people get it wrong. So looking at the bags, all these ones, they've got the bubbles of the bubble wrap on the inside. Now, this is not the only thing you can go by, but I'm just giving you the number one. See the color of this label? See the color of this label, the red? This one's a bit different. Can you pick that one out? This one here is the Reman, okay? That one right there. Otherwise it looks the same. There's a red cap on there. We could get it out and analyze it, but I don't even want to go that far. Short video, right? This is what you pull out of the box. You don't know what you're going to get unless you get it from me. This one's been weeded out. This one's toxic, in my opinion, and this one will be going back to the supplier, and they're going to, it happens all the time, mate. Every week, if not every other. If not a heap of injectors, maybe one, okay? So be very careful where you purchase your injectors. Get on the videos. There's 2 steps to getting this job done right the first time. One is the injector kit, everything you need. You need injectors, you need fuel pipes, seals and gaskets. You probably need intake, EJ, you probably need map filters. All these bits and pieces, it's all part of the job. That's why I invented it and supplied in the kit to get it right for you the first time. Now, we can't do them all, so we've got the videos showing you all my years' experience in all the videos. It's going to take some time to get you trained up so that you can do it yourself or through one of our workshop partners. I'm just holding the camera there, so hopefully you can go, and see the difference. But that's not the only thing. I mean, there's counterfeit copies that they can look very similar, you open these up, right? Let's open it up, right? So this one, it's too hard to get out of the bag. I just want to make this a short video, right? It looks like new, yeah, because it is new. This one, well, it looks like new, right? But it ain't new. Okay, there you go. There's another tip, right? See these absorbent bags? That's the genuine ones. On this particular part number, there's different part numbers. So different new injectors are going to look different to this as well. That's got a different brand moisture absorber thing, right? So anyway, that's it. Quick video. Do whatever you're going to do. It's only the people that listen to me that I can help. If you listen, subscribe, turn the bell on. Don't miss another video. You're in good hands. Thanks for watching and listening. All the best.